Hello class 11th, welcome again and myself Videshan. Today we will study about the molarity and molality first, okay, because in previous video we have already started the mole concept and we have already studied about the moles, okay. What do you mean by mole? Mole means number of Avogadro. And how will you find the moles? Moles is equal to mass upon molar mass, okay. So first understand about the molarity. Molarity. It is denoted by capital M. Okay. So what is molarity? Understand carefully. It is also important topic for your NEET IIT, and in 12th class chemistry in solution you will teach about the molarity. Okay. But we will complete the mole concept in 11th class, okay. So 12th class will be easy for you, okay. Molarity, the number of moles of solute present in 1 liter solution is known as the molarity of that solution. This is the definition. I am repeating again. The number of moles of solute present in 1 liter solution is known as the molarity of that solution, okay. So I am writing here the definition. The number of moles of solute, a solution is made up of solute and solvent. So number of moles of solute present in 1 liter solution is known as the molarity of that solution. This is the definition, and by this definition we can easily find out the formula of molarity. So what will be the formula? Molarity will equals to the number of moles of solute, the number of moles of solute in 1 liter solution, and 1 liter means the volume. It means the volume of solution should be in liter. The volume of solution should be in liter, okay. The volume of a solution. And I have already told to you the moles. How will you find out the moles? Moles will be mass upon molar mass. So in any question, if there is not given the moles, then we will find the moles by this formula, mass upon molar mass. So if the mass is given, then we can easily find out the molarity. How? You can write the mass of solute upon the molar mass of solute. The mass of solute upon molar mass of solute, okay. Then volume of solution, and if the volume of solution is given in milliliter, then what will you do? You will have to convert the milliliter into liter. And how will you convert? Divided it from 1000. When you divide it from 1000, 1000 will give up. Then we will multiply it from 1000 if the volume of solution is given in milliliter. अगर आप लोग इसको देख नहीं पा रहे हो ना, तो समझ लेना कि इसको मैंने 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, यहाँ ये 1000 है, ओके. This is the formula of molarity in short way. In the symbol we can write it. Molarity will be mass is represented by small m, and you consider in chemistry solvent is A and solute is B. solvent is A. We consider that solute is B and solvent is A. Solvent is A. So every value is given by A. It means that these values are for solvent. And we consider solute is B. So every value of B, it means these values are represent for the solute. Okay, so I'm writing here the molarity will be mass of solute. So mass MB, understand, upon molar mass capital M, B, it means molar mass of solute. V means volume, and if the volume is given in milliliter, then we will multiply it from 1000. This is the formula for molarity. Okay, so first of all you take the screenshot or write down the formula of molarity, then we will calculate some numerical question related to molarity. Okay, so take the screenshot for this and then we will solve some numerical question related to molarity. Okay, I am giving to a simple numerical question. Two mole NaCl, 2 mole NaCl present in 2 liter solution. 2 liter solution. Calculate the molarity of this solution. So we can easily calculate molarity is equal to number of moles of solute NP. B means solute, N means moles, upon volume. Okay, and volume should be in liter. We know very well here the number of moles of solute is here given 2 moles. Okay, and volume is here given in liter, 2 liter. So we can easily calculate the molarity. Molarity will be 2 upon 2. It means 1. And the unit of molarity, it is moles and it is liter. So unit of molarity, I am writing here, unit of molarity is equal to moles per liter. Okay, so here the answer is mole per liter. Okay, so write down this or take the screenshot. I am giving to the another numerical question for related to molarity. Take the screenshot. Write down another question related to molarity. 40 gram NaOH present in 450 ml solution. Okay, calculate the molarity of this solution. Calculate the molarity of this solution. Okay, we can easily calculate. Molarity is equal to, first write the formula of molarity. Molarity is equal to number of moles of solute upon volume should be in liter. But in this question, number of moles of solute is not given and volume is also given in milliliter, 450 milliliter. Okay, So first of all, we will have to calculate the number of moles of solute. Okay. So how will you find it? We know very well the number of mole will be mass upon molar mass. 40 gram. Gram means here mass is given. Okay. So MB is here 40 and molar mass. MB is equal to molar mass of solute NaOH. NaOH means 23 plus 16 plus 1, 23 of Na, 16 of oxygen, 1 of hydrogen, then 40. This is the molar mass of NaOH. We can easily find out the Nb. Okay. And volume is given in milliliter. So molarity will be, write it, 40 mass, molar mass into volume is 450. Here volume is 450 ml. Okay. So 450 ml. So we will have to multiply it from 1000 to calculate the molarity. Okay. You will do this calculation by yourself. Okay. Got it? Okay. I am giving to you the another numerical question related to molarity. Take the screenshot for this. Before I rough the question or any topic, you should take the screenshot for it. Okay. Question number 3. %, W/W. Aqueous solution of NaCl is given, and the volume of solution is 500 ml. Okay, the volume of solution is 500 ml. Calculate the molarity of this solution. What is given? 10% W/W, as I have already told to you, in mass percentage, W/W. So you will have to consider that suppose the mass of solution 100 gram. Okay, then the mass of solute, and here solute is NaCl, is 10 gram, and the mass of solvent, and here solvent is water, the mass of solvent 90 gram. Okay, the molar mass of NaCl, we can easily calculate the molar mass of NaCl. Na means 23, chlorine means 35.5, means 58.5. This is the molar mass of NaCl. So mass is given, molar mass is given. So we can easily find out the number of moles of solute. Nb will be mass upon molar mass of solute. Mass is 10 and molar mass is 58.5. So molarity will be mass of solute upon molar mass of solute into volume of solution, and volume is 500 ml. Here volume is equals to 500 ml. So volume 500 and given in milliliters, so we will have to multiply it from 1000, and calculation should be done by yourself. So will you do this the calculation? Okay, calculate it. Now I am giving to you another numerical question related to molarity. Today we will discuss only about the molarity. Okay, first take the screenshot for this. So are you ready for another question? Okay, question number 4. The density of 10% W/W of aqueous solution of NaOH is 2 gram per ml. This is the density of this solution. Very important question. Calculate the molarity of this solution. Calculate the molarity of this solution. Okay, so what is given here? Here the density of solution is given and the density is 2 gram per ml. There is not given the volume of solution, and to find out the molarity it is compulsory that you will have to know about the volume of a solution, but density is given. Okay, and the mass percentage is given. So consider, or suppose the mass of solution, is 100 gram, suppose. Okay, the density of solution is here 2 gram per ml. By this we can easily find out the volume of solution. How? We know density is equal to mass upon volume. So volume will be mass upon density. Okay, so volume will be, the mass of solution is equal to 100 and density is 2 gram per ml. 100 gram and 2 gram per ml. So here the volume is 50 ml. Okay, now we will calculate the molarity. Molarity is equal to number of moles of solute upon volume, and here volume is milliliter. So we will multiply it from 1000 to find out the volume in liter. Okay, and how can we calculate the moles? Moles is equal to, we know very well, mass of solute upon molar mass of solute. So NB will be, here mass of solute is 10 gram. Here mass of solute will be 10 gram. The mass of solute is 10 gram. Okay, and the molar mass of solute, what is solute? NaOH, it means 23 plus 16 plus 1, it means 40. Molar mass is 40. So molarity will be 10 upon 40. This is the moles. Volume is 50 and it is given in milliliters, so we will multiply it from 1000. Okay, do the calculation, that will be the answer for this question. Okay, understand it? Understand about it? Okay, take the screenshot for this question. I am giving to the another numerical question related to molarity. First, what is the meaning of 2 molar solution of NaOH? What is the meaning of this 2 molar? 2 molar means molarity is given and molarity is calculated in 1 liter. It means the moles of or the 2 mole of NaOH dissolved in 1 liter solution. 1 liter solution. That is also very important to know about this. Okay, so molarity is given. So molarity, we calculate the molarity in 1 liter solution. So 2 molar solution, it means the number of moles of solute is here 2 mole and here solute is NaOH and solution will be 1 liter. So we can easily write it to the 2 moles of NaOH dissolved in 1 liter solution. Okay, and another question, what will be the effect of temperature in molarity? What will be the effect of temperature on molarity? Okay, first we will write the formula of molarity. Molarity is equal to number of moles of solute upon volume of solution in a liter. Okay, in state of matter you will find the volume is directly proportional to temperature. It means if you will increase the temperature, then volume will increase. If you will increase the temperature, then volume will increase, and when volume will increase, then molarity will be decrease. It means if you will increase the temperature, the molarity will be decreased. Okay, if the temperature increase, then what will be the effect on molarity? Molarity will decrease. Okay, so take the another screenshot, then I will give you a numerical question for homework. Okay, first take the screenshot for this. Okay, I am giving to you a question for your homework. The density of 10% W/W aqueous solution of NaCl is 1.2 gram per ml. Okay, calculate the molarity for this solution. You will do this question by yourself for your homework. If you face any problem in this question, then I will solve you in another video. Okay, thank you so much. In next video we will study about the molarity and mole fraction, and in the next video, another video, we will study about the normality and formality. Okay, so keep watching the video. Thank you so much.